Welcome to Best by Report. The Best Singer sewing machine is probably one of the most exciting gifts you can give to a child, sparking creativity and providing a hands-on learning experience. Sewing not only fosters artistic expression but also develops crucial fine motor skills, patience, and problem-solving abilities. This video will guide you through the features and benefits of this fantastic machine, helping you decide if it's the perfect choice for your young aspiring seamstress or tailor. Number 5. Serger Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. This sewing machine has a stronger motor, providing more power. It makes sewing multiple layers and thicker fabrics much easier. With 110 stitch applications, you can enjoy a wide range of sewing techniques. It offers basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, plus a one-step buttonhole. The jam-proof bobbin and clear cover plate make it easy to monitor your thread. The bobbin is easy to wind and insert. Threading the needle is effortless with the built-in needle threader. It's quick and convenient to use. The internal rigid metal support keeps the machine stable. This feature helps ensure long-lasting durability. What we like. This machine boasts a powerful motor, making it ideal for tackling thicker fabrics and multiple layers. It offers a wide array of stitch applications, opening up a world of creative possibilities. If you're looking for a machine that can handle a variety of projects and materials, this is the one for you. What people say. It works so amazingly well. Sewing is a breeze, threading it is so simple, even the bobbin was easy to fill and put in. The machine offers a wide range of configurations with 32 built-in stitches, allowing for great versatility in her projects. Number 4. Serger Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing and Quilting Machine. This Serger machine offers a wide array of stitch options. It includes essential, stretch, and decorative stitches for various projects. You can easily create unique designs with mirror imaging and stitch elongation. The machine comes with 13 presser feet and other useful tools. These accessories are designed to help you with quilting, fashion sewing, and home decor. They give your projects a professional touch. This machine has time-saving features like an automatic needle threader. The top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover makes it easy to monitor the thread. This helps you avoid interruptions. It ensures consistent, professional buttonholes with 13 fully automatic one-step styles. The built-in lettering font allows you to personalize your work. You can add creative touches with monograms and custom text. You can adjust the sewing speed to suit your project needs. The Start-Stop button gives you greater control. This is especially helpful for large quilting projects or complex stitching tasks. What we like. With its extensive stitch options and lettering capabilities, this machine allows for incredible customization and personalization. The high-end touch controls make it a joy to use. If you love adding unique touches and professional finishes to your projects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The features are fantastic: auto start-stop, auto cut, 116 stitch types. Very easy to use. It works so well. Even has a needle threader. It is beginner-friendly and computerized, came with all the accessories. This is a super machine and simple to use. I use mine pretty much weekly to sew Velcro onto nylon pads and much, much more. Stitch number 6 is nice and tough as it goes over each place 3 times, creating a nicely locked up stitch that doesn't unravel easily. Number 3. Serger M1500 Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit. This Serger M1500 sewing machine is perfect for various sewing tasks. It includes stitches for key sewing techniques. Whether you're sewing fashions, quilting, or mending, it has you covered. Selecting your stitch is incredibly easy. The stitch selector dial clearly displays all the options. Simply turn the dial to choose the stitch you need. This machine eliminates guesswork with preset stitch length and width. Choose your stitch, and you're ready to start sewing. It's perfect for beginners. Creating buttonholes is a breeze with the 4-step process. The stitch selector dial clearly marks each step. You can easily make buttonholes the size you need for your project. Threading the machine is simple and straightforward. The machine has easy-to-follow guides for winding the bobbin and threading the upper thread. It saves you time and effort. What we like. This machine is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring easy stitch selection and preset settings for beginners. It offers a good range of stitch applications for various projects. If you're new to sewing or prefer a straightforward machine, this is a great option to start with. What people say. The machine is super easy to use, even for beginners, and it has all the essential features she needs for her sewing projects. The stitch quality is excellent, and it runs smoothly, making her sewing experience so much more enjoyable. This sewing machine is so light and easy to operate and move around. Number 2. Serger 14T968 DC Heavy-Duty Serger Overlock. This Serger offers 2-3-4-5 stitch options. It provides a wide variety of stitch options for different sewing techniques. You can sew durable seams, rolled hems, and cover stitches for all your creative projects. The machine comes with a complete set of accessories. These include various feet and essential tools. It has everything you need to handle any project. The fully automatic self-adjusting tension system ensures balanced stitches. It's easy to use, and it makes your sewing smoother and more efficient. This feature is useful when switching between different materials. This serger can sew up to 1,300 stitches per minute. This professional-grade speed makes it ideal for handling large sewing projects. It reduces time spent on each seam while maintaining consistent stitch quality. Threading the machine is made simple with the easy-to-follow threading diagram. This guide helps save time during the setup process. Even beginners can get the machine ready quickly and start sewing without frustration. The differential feed system prevents fabric stretching and puckering. It ensures that seams lay flat and smooth. This is perfect for both delicate and heavy fabrics, ensuring professional results. The included attachable clean pocket collects fabric scraps. It keeps your workspace tidy. This feature is especially helpful for larger projects. What we like. This serger offers versatile stitching options with its 2-3-4-5 stitch capability, perfect for various sewing techniques. The self-adjusting tension system ensures even stitches, and the high sewing speed increases efficiency. If you're looking for professional quality seams and faster project completion, this is the machine for you. What people say. The stitching is smooth, fast, up to 1,300 stitches per minute, and reliable across a variety of fabrics, from delicate knits to heavier materials. I love the versatility of having 2-3-4-5 thread options, and the self-adjusting tension makes setup so much easier than I expected. Threading looked intimidating at first, but the color-coded system really helped me get comfortable quickly. Number 1. Serger Sewmate 5400 Sewing Machine. Introducing the Serger Sewmate 5400. This machine comes with 60 built-in stitches, perfect for all your sewing needs. It's ideal for fashion, quilting, and various crafts. Tired of struggling to thread needles? This machine features an automatic needle threader. It makes sewing easier and saves you time and frustration. Explore a wide range of stitches with this machine. It includes essential, stretch, and decorative stitches, along with 4 fully automatic one-step buttonholes. It offers versatility for any project. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, this sewing machine is designed to last. It ensures stability and makes your sewing projects fun and easy. The Serger Sewmate 5400 is the perfect choice for beginner sewers. With its easy setup, automatic features, and adjustable settings, it's simple and frustration-free to use. What we like. This machine is designed with convenience in mind, featuring an automatic needle threader and a heavy-duty metal frame. It offers a wide variety of stitches for all types of sewing. If you are a beginner sewer, this is the perfect sewing machine for you. What people say. The stitches all came out like they should, and the buttonhole foot made perfectly sized buttonholes for the button. The needle threader works well. The selection of stitches is really extensive for the casual sewer, and most are very nice when applied as accents to apparel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.